Introducing you to our range of complete gate hinge kits from Gate Hinge Kits. We are unique in offering our customers a large range of complete gate hinge kits. For example, a 24-inch double gate cranked hook and band kit comes complete with 2 pairs of 24-inch cranked hook and bands, 2 drop bolts for securing the bottom of the gates, 1 6-inch plain handle ring latch, and a 6-inch medium Brenton bolt for securing the 2 gates together, and all required fixings. Our range of complete gate hinge kits includes the following: available for both single and double gates, medium and strong T-hinge kits, cranked and straight hook and band kits, heavy reversible kits, adjustable hook and band kits. All kits are available in either a hot dipped galvanised or powder coated black finish. For more information or to place an order, call us now on 01202 684 228 or head to our website gatehingekits.co.uk.